Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to Confluence Cloud, full guide step by step clearly. Once you've reached the home page, locate the products menu at the top. Click on Confluence from the drop-down options. On the Confluence page, look for a button that says Try It Free or Get Started. Click on the Try It Free button to proceed. You will be redirected to a registration page. Here, you will need to enter your email address. After entering your email, click on Sign Up. At this point, check your inbox for a confirmation email from Atlassian. Open the email and click on the verification link provided. You will be taken back to the Confluence setup page in your browser. Next, fill in the required fields to create your account, including your name and a password. Once your account details are entered, click on Create Account. You may need to select a cloud site name, which will be part of your Confluence URL. Choose a unique name that reflects your team or project. After selecting a site name, click on Continue. You will now be prompted to choose a plan for your Confluence subscription. Select the plan that best fits your needs, whether it be free, standard, or premium. Review the pricing details and features for each plan carefully. Once you have made your selection, click on Get Started. If prompted, enter your payment information to finalize your subscription. After entering your payment details, confirm your order. You should receive a confirmation of your subscription shortly thereafter. Now you're ready to start using Confluence Cloud for your team collaboration needs. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.